I would just suggest one thing is if you end up talking to somebody at Matterport, they're going to actually call the property report when you're looking at it in this view, the property layout. You can see there it's actually labeled in the top left.
Yeah.
It's labeled. So if you're in Matterport workshop, property report is called property layout. And then if you are in the public view of the report, it's called the Matterport property report. Is this report available to anyone that's looking at the Matterport space?
Well, so no. You can see the measurements on the screen if you're a viewer, but you can also hide it from this right here. So if we hide it there and then go to space, did that work? Maybe it didn't work actually.
Maybe need to refresh. That could be.
Yeah. To answer your question, as a viewer looking at a URL, I cannot see this, and I've actually uploaded scans to other clients' accounts, and I still cannot access this.
Okay, so this is really for anyone that has access to the tour through Matterport workshop.
Through the account that it's being uploaded to.
Okay. So I guess I'll probably make this super confusing, but when you're actually in the Matterport space and things have been toggled on, you can see the label for the room. So ballroom, lobby, in this case, you can see the square footage, and you can also see the room dimensions if that's been enabled. But you don't get this indoor dimensions chart in the public facing tour.
Correct.
Okay, awesome.